Hi my loves, welcome to my channel. So as you see this beautiful look right here, I did a pride look for the month of June. So I'm going to be using this Morphe 35B palette to create this eye look. So if you want to see this look, continue watching, alright? Grab a snack, grab some water, get ready, sit down, and get ready with me. This is basically focused on my eyeshadow, so I basically did the eyeshadow. That was the main focus of this video. So without further ado, let's just jump right into this video. Alright, so I'm going to use for my eyes the L'Oreal Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I am not going to put powder over it. I'm sorry guys if you can hear my kids in the background because I'm trying to film this with them here and I'm telling them to stay quiet, but it's kind of hard. I'm trying to keep them occupied. They're playing video games on phones, but alright, so I am not gonna put powder to set it. I want it tacky, so we're just gonna jump right in. So let me grab my brushes. I already like played with these looks a little bit, so I got a bunch of brushes right here. This setup is really small right here, but I don't feel like putting up my big background and all that. Alright, so first I'm going to go into the red and I'm gonna pack it on. I'm using a packing brush instead of doing what I normally do. And I normally don't do my eyeshadow like this because I don't go with bright colors. So bear with me if it doesn't come the best. Guys, I'm sorry. But I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna pack the red right on here. And it's gonna look crazy until it's done. Just gonna pack that all over. Now remember guys, I can't really see out this eye. So when I do my left side, it's kinda hard. And to close my right eye, it's kind of hard because I can't see out this eye. I see out of just one eye. I can see like images, like colors, but I can't see like numbers and like your eye color and stuff like that. It's really weird. I've literally failed every eye test since first grade. So I'm gonna bring this up really high and just pat on because we're gonna blend it after. Now this is definitely a different look, you guys. For me, I'm going out of my comfort zone. Hopefully it pays off. Okay, we're gonna leave that like that. Now we're gonna move on to orange. I have a bunch of brushes here that I'm using. I just broke my highlighter, dropped it on the floor, so I'm gonna piss. So I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild brush. Oh, the one before I was using my Morphe 124. Now I'm using my Wet n Wilds. So I'm gonna go into this bright orange right here, and I'm gonna pack that on as well. I'm not even gonna blow the brush. I want all that pigment. That's why we don't do our base yet, because any fallout, wipe it off with a wipe and then just continue with your base. And then I'm gonna use a blending brush after to blend everything in. Oh, you guys can't see. Oh, you can see me. I'm trying to be up close so you guys can see what I'm doing. Now it's supposed to like blend in because it's a rainbow. It blends together. Okay, so I'm going to pat this color on. Just make it really vibrant, really pigmented. And I try to go over the red line a little bit too, so it looks kind of blended in already, but you know. Alright, now we're gonna move on to yellow. So we're gonna use the yellow right here. And I'm gonna just bring it right here. No, I'm not gonna do, I did the orange and red. I did the orange and red brighter, like thicker, to stand out. Cause yellow is, I'm not a fan of. But we need yellow because it's in the rainbow. Now see, I went up high because I'm gonna blend it in. Alright, so now we're gonna blend this in. And I'm using a Wet n Wild crease brush because we don't want harsh lines. Look like it, we just patted on there like we just did. I'm gonna use a different brush for the orange. And just where those lines intertwine, I'm gonna go in and blend it out so they look seamless. See? And then we'll go back over top to blend. Same with the orange and yellow. Make it look seamless. So it's gonna like blend into each, like a rainbow. And then we're just gonna blend it all through top. And it's okay how high we went up because we want this look to pop. Alright, same thing again. So now I'm gonna go with our blues and purple. Now I'm gonna go in with this bright blue right here. First. Back it on there. Nice and bright and pigmented. And that's why we didn't set it either, because I want it to stick to the concealer. Because of the way we're doing it. Into, so now we can do that really deep one or dark one, but I want the deep one or the bright one, so I'm going to do the bright purple. Same thing we did on the other side. Tap it on. Make it a little intenser. Alright, now we're going to go for the indigo color, which we're going to use this top blue up here for indigo. Looking real crazy over here, huh? I'm gonna put that over here. More lighter of a color. So you really gotta get in there with that color. Alright, now we blend. There's so many blending brushes here. Next time I think I will do a cut crease. I want to pack a little more purple. So this is definitely out of my comfort zone. Alright guys, so I'm going to finish the rest of my base and come back with the completed look. So that's how we did the eyeshadow. I still got to put on my green in the corners, but you will see that when I come back. So, alright, I'm going to complete the rest of my face and I will be right back. So this is the final look. I got my lashes on, my eyeliner, the rest of my face, my lipstick. So this is our look for Gay Pride for the month of June. Really want to do something. Like I said, I wanted my nails, but you know, still something. But yeah, thank you for tuning into my channel. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button below. Click the bell right next to it for more post notifications from me. That just lets you know when I post new videos. Alright? Thanks for tuning in. I hope you like the look. I like it. It's very different out of my comfort zone. So hopefully you guys like it. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye, my loves.